Hello vegan adventurers, welcome to an exciting video from Andalusia, Spain. Today is a more relaxing day. We're gonna be exploring beaches at Salobrena with massive wave splashes. And also we're gonna rescue a stray dog. Let's get into the vlog. So our first destination was this little hill going out into the sea with these steep cliffs and the waves crashing down, and we saw that some of the splashes go all the way up to the top of this hill, so let's see if we can capture some of them. We are waiting behind the rocks for the big wave to splash all the way up till here, but unfortunately not all the waves are big, so maybe in 1 in 20, so it's pretty hard to capture it on the camera. Here I finally got a splash, and this was one of the smaller ones. There are even bigger, more impressive ones, but it's still pretty amazing. This cliff is about 20 meters high, so imagine how strong the waves must be to get all the way up here. So imagine how powerful are these waves, that they can splash all the way from down there till here. So I had to be careful not to get washed out, because a bigger wave can come any moment. And if I happen to fall down there, it will be really hard to get out of those waves. And I think that actually in the summer some people are jumping from these cliffs, but obviously not such a strong waves. And I think there are even spots marked where it's the best to jump from. So cliff jumping can be a lot of fun if you know how to land in the water properly, but if you land, for example, on your back from such a height, it can be really dangerous because it would take your breath out. So here I went to stand up on the edge of the cliff, and you can just see how big the waves are compared to my size. Wow, so that was amazing. The waves just splashed around me. But I saw even bigger waves here, so it could have been even dangerous if there was a bigger wave and it would splash me down the cliff. In the late afternoon we went to another beach more east from Salobrena, and we met this stray dog that was following us everywhere. This dog was obviously too skinny and neglected, but was still really playful running around. It's something we humans need to learn. We have pretty much everything, but still find something to complain about. can see the wind was blowing pretty strong, which make it feel quite cold. Even here, so close to Africa. So these beaches were almost completely abandoned, but in the summer this is like a top holiday destination in Europe, and these beaches are full packed. So even though it's off season here on these beaches in Andalusia, there are still opportunities for like windsurfing and kitesurfing if you wear a wetsuit. But here we haven't seen any windsurfers or kitesurfers, only fishermen, so I guess it's not so popular here. But we did see one kitesurfer in Mallorca. And here we saw a lot of trash just chucked in nature near the beach. So this is not really common for European Union countries. It's more common for countries like Serbia, where just chuck trash in the nature anywhere they can. But as you can see, it happened here in Spain as well. And at the end, this stray dog was running behind our car, so we didn't have a heart to leave him there. So we took him to the vet, who gave him some food and said he will take care of him. So I hope he's in good hands now.